Good morning, guys. It's day after Christmas. Unfortunately, I'm on my way back to work. We got work next day, and I can honestly say it's worse than every other start of the week because I am not ready whatsoever. But it's I hope everyone had a great Christmas, holiday season, whatever you celebrate. I had a great time. Probably the best Christmas ever. We had, I can't tell if you can see very well there, but we still have some snow, and to me is amazing because I love snow, and just having snow for Christmas is like, I might remember one other time in my life I've ever had it here, so that made it awesome. It was a great day for me, and so I'm starting on, I sang the other day, I guess I'll cover it a little bit later, but I'm going into, like I said, I'm on my way to work, and I can't tell you if you can see this, but this super cool globe Courtney got me. I am taking that to work and putting it up in my desk because I think it's awesome. And then I got this camera now. It's a new camera I got, so I'm filming with that this morning. I haven't really played around with it a whole lot yet, so I gotta figure everything out on it and everything, but it's new, and I'll show you guys a little bit later. It has the flip screen, so it's already better than my other camera. And so, yeah, I'll just head on into work here, and I will probably catch you guys at lunch. Hey guys, so it's Friday afternoon at lunch, and I know when I started this video it was Tuesday morning, but as the day moved on Tuesday, I started feeling worse and worse, and so I ended up I went to the gym, but all I did was just some cardio because I felt like crap. I just walked on the treadmill for 30 minutes just to do something while Courtney was at our class, and then by Wednesday, I didn't even go to work. And then yesterday, I was just feeling good enough to get to work. And so today, I'm feeling about like I did yesterday, just good enough to get out of bed and get to work. But I'm still just all congested, headache from not sleeping well at all. And so I haven't done anything but get to work, go home and rest. And I can't gym, I can't do anything. And I don't want to cry about it because I had so much plans to start. I mean, I've been working hard no matter what, but it's like I've been wanting to more focus on a little more. I was going to start adding a little cardio in like twice a week just to get a little help on the, because I want to cut down a few pounds and then really work on leaning out and cutting fat. I don't necessarily want to get any light. I mean, I want to get a few more pounds cut, but after that, I want to necessarily get any weight any less. I just want to get cut a lot more. But so that was my plan, and so I haven't got to do anything. So I can start that next week. I'll be able to do that, get into that strong. But it's hot in here. But yeah, so I was saying, and I was going to show my camera too, but I forgot that at work because I'm just not with it today, really. And so, hopefully tomorrow I can feel good enough to do anything and salvage this video so I have something for this week for you guys. But I'm starting to feel better every day. It's just nothing. So today I'm just going to go after work, pick up some soup for me and Courtney because she's also sick. And we'll just relax, take a bunch of medicine, sleep a lot, and hopefully get feeling better. And because this has been horrible, and I haven't been sick like this in years because I don't hardly ever get sick, and so it's just sucked. But yeah, I got half-hour lunch, so I'm just gonna sit here, relax, and eat a little bit because when I'm sick, I'm never very hungry. But I need to. I know my body needs it. So, but yeah, I'm just gonna finish up lunch, rest up tonight, and hopefully see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's Saturday morning. It's I'm not really, feeling a little better, but not good enough like I can gym or anything yet still. So it's my dad's birthday and we're gonna go have lunch with him, and I don't know where we're gonna eat yet, but we'll go do that, and then I'll probably go to the store because I'm getting some stuff because I'm gonna make Courtney dinner for New Year's Eve tomorrow. And I think I'm gonna try and film that one in this video because I don't have a lot, so I may have to wait until like Monday to put this video up. But a day later to actually get some content, I think you guys will be okay. I hope so anyways. But yeah, I'm gonna let my car warm up for a minute, go get my dad, and we're off to lunch. So we just got finished up with our lunch a little bit ago. We had Mexican food. It was awesome. It was a good time. It was fun. And so now I've dropped them back off, and now I'm running to the store to get some food for dinner tomorrow night. And then we'll head to Courtney's, and we're both still sick, and so we're just gonna rest up and try and cure the stupid ass cold we have, and I don't know why it's lasting so long. I never get sick. It's stupid to be lasting this long, and I hate it. But I feel I'm like right at the tail end of it, so at max next couple days I should be feeling all better and wrapped up being sick, and hopefully, because I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. Just stop it, phone. I'm missing the gym, and I feel I'm getting fatter and weaker as the days go by. So yeah, I say go get some food. I'm going to actually, I can't promise because I've promised before and it doesn't happen, but I'm going to do everything I can to get cooking in tomorrow, and that way I can actually have some cooking in my channel like I've been promising this entire time of making my channel. So it's going to be, I'm going to try to make it a meal to like feel like it's more fatty and unhealthy for us than it really is. So it's gonna be really good. I've kind of made it before, just not as much into it, but it'll be fun. It'll be a good first one on my channel, and I'd like to get more in there. Time and stuff comes up and I end up not, and just a lot. But yeah, so I'm almost to the store, and then so I will probably catch you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's Sunday night, on my way home from Courtney's. We had dinner, it was great. I will show you guys, I'll have video it through or after this, just because I'm still in the later stage of trying to get over this damn cold, and it's just, I couldn't have filmed and like interacted like I'd like to, just not feeling up to it. So I'm gonna go like show you all the stuff and the cooking process and what I end up making, and I'll list the ingredients of everything down below. I'll put my macros down below, and that way if you guys want it, you can make it. And hopefully in future videos, I'm feeling good enough I can actually stop it phone. I can actually tutorial through one, but until then, I've got my cooking into my videos finally. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Even though it's small, not a lot happened. I haven't done anything this week except trying to recover from being sick. And so, I hope you guys all have a great New Year's and safe New Year's Eve. Enjoy whatever you're doing, sleeping, partying, whatever. Enjoy it, be safe, and give this thumbs up, this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and once I'm better at the videos, will be much better and bigger like usual. So, thank 10 guys, and see you in the new year.